Ever found yourself grappling with the intricacies of receiving payments on Shopify? You know that moment when you've set up your store, stocked up on products and are ready to ship, but there's just one catch. How to get your hands on that hard-earned cash? Well, you're in luck because today we're going to demystify the process for you, breaking down how to set up Stripe on Shopify into simple, easy-to-follow steps. So let's dive in, shall we? Imagine Stripe as a bridge between your Shopify store and your bank account, a bridge that your customers' payments cross over to reach you. But before this can happen, you need to add your bank account to Stripe. You'll find the Payout settings in your Stripe dashboard, where you can either update your existing account details or add a new bank account. Depending on where your bank is located, Stripe might need some additional information to activate your account. Once your bank account is all set up, it's time to introduce your customers to Stripe Checkout. This is a pre-configured hosted payments page that you can tailor to match your brand. You can either embed checkout on your website or direct customers to a page hosted by Stripe. But wait, what about Shopify's commission? Well, Shopify charges a recurring commission of 20% of the merchant's monthly subscription fee. This fee is applied monthly, as long as you remain a paying Shopify customer and an active Shopify partner. And what if you want to get paid in dollars on Shopify? Well, you can change your store currency in the store currency section under Settings, Store Info. If you're unable to do this, you can always reach out to Shopify customer support for help. Now let's say you've set everything up, and you're wondering how long it takes for Shopify to pay out. Typically, it varies between 3 and 5 days, depending on the bank. If a charge remains on your customer's account for more than 5 business days without an order being placed, it would be wise to contact Shopify customer service for assistance. And there you have it, folks, a straightforward guide to setting up Stripe on Shopify. To recap, first, add your bank account to Stripe using the Payout settings in your dashboard. Next, introduce your customers to Stripe Checkout. Remember, Shopify charges a 20% recurring commission on the merchant's monthly subscription fee. Change your store currency if you wish to get paid in a specific currency. And finally, remember that Shopify's payout period varies between 3 and 5 days. So, go forth, set up that Stripe account, and start receiving payments on Shopify with ease. Until next time, happy e-commerce journey.